welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very nice, rich and flavorful side dish, and we're going to make it with eggs. This is Egg Lababdar. If you're a fan of creamy, spicy curries and love eggs, this is a dish for you. This is a North Indian dish where eggs are simmered in a nice, rich tomato-based gravy and infused with aromatic spices. So without waiting any further, let's dive right into the recipe. So first I'm going to make a puree of 4 medium-sized tomatoes. Just transfer the roughly chopped tomatoes to the mixer jar. I'm also adding about 20 soaked cashew nuts. So grind it to a nice fine puree. Transfer the puree to a bowl and keep it aside. Let's start making the curry. For this you can take a nice wide kadai. Add about 4 tablespoons of oil. Next I'm adding the whole spices, bay leaf, cinnamon, 2 cardamom and a few cloves. Next also add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once you get this nice aroma of the spices, add 2 large onions finely chopped. So you can see that the onions are very finely chopped. You don't want large pieces. Saute the onions till they turn to a nice golden color. So you can see the onions have turned to a nice golden color. At this point I'm adding 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste. Just mix that in. Now I'm going to add the tomato and cashew puree. So we need to cook this tomato puree till the oil begins to separate and all that excess moisture is evaporated. So this is the diluted puree, all the remnants from the mixer jar. Just added a little water and just diluted that a bit. So you can see the masala has thickened and the oil is beginning to separate. All that excess moisture is evaporated and all the raw smell has also gone. So at this point I'm going to add all the spice powders. Starting with 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons Kashmiri Red Chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. So give that all a good mix. Make sure the spice powders are well mixed and well combined with the masala. So as you can see, the masala is very thick. I'm just going to add about 1 cup of water. We're going to bring this to a gravy consistency. Next I'm adding 4 green chilies slit. To this add 1 teaspoon Garam Masala powder and 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is to balance the flavors. Just mix that in. So if you feel the gravy is a little too thick, you can always dilute it with a little water. Close the kadai and let this simmer for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you can see the curry is simmering beautifully. The oil has separated. Just adding a little more flavor to the curry. Just adding a few crushed Kasuri Methi leaves. Add a few finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix that in. Now this is a very nice gravy consistency. Now I'm just going to remove the bay leaf at this point because we're going to crack open the eggs. Just going to remove that. So there are 2 ways you can do this curry. You can either use boiled eggs or you can crack open the eggs and add it directly into the curry. So once you drop the eggs into the curry, do not disturb them. Leave a little bit of space between the eggs if you're dropping them into the curry like this. So keeping the flame on low, just finally add some chopped coriander leaves. Close the kadai and cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. So we need to make sure that the eggs are completely cooked. After 10 minutes, let's check on the egg curry. Oh wow, just look at that. Looks amazing. So there you go, here is this incredibly delicious egg lababdar that you can enjoy with rice or roti. Today I'm serving this with some nice hot chapatis by the side. You can enjoy it however you like. Wow, just look at that. You can see all the oil has separated, the eggs are cooked perfectly. You can enjoy this for a nice afternoon meal or for a nice evening dinner. So today we've made this delicious egg lababdar and I can't wait to try it. Now I've served it with chapati, so you can enjoy it with any roti of your choice or even with some nice mild pulavs. So it's time to taste. big piece. I've literally stuffed my mouth. Wow, it was so incredibly tasty. I absolutely enjoyed that. So for all those egg lovers, this is a go-to dish that you must try. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below, and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.